Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Sophia for another B1 English listening practice. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to keep up with our latest videos. Today, we're diving into a universally relatable topic: the journey through adolescence. Adolescence is a critical period of growth that we all experience or will experience. It's a time of significant changes, physically, mentally, and socially. Let's explore both the challenges and opportunities that come with this dynamic phase of life. The pros of adolescence. 1. Personal development. One of the exciting aspects of adolescence is the journey towards independence. You begin to make more decisions for yourself, take on greater responsibilities, and start planning for your future. This transition from dependence to autonomy is a crucial step in personal growth. 2. Educational growth. Adolescence is also a period of profound intellectual development. As your cognitive abilities mature, you can engage with more complex subjects like mathematics, science, literature, and social studies. This is the time when many start to form their own views on a variety of topics, from social issues to personal beliefs. 3. Physical growth. Naturally, adolescence brings about physical growth and changes. It's important to approach these changes with a positive mindset and respect for one's body. Engaging in healthy activities, whether it's sports or other forms of physical exercise, can help you appreciate and take care of your growing body. 4. Skill development. Many adolescents begin learning practical life skills such as driving. In places like the United States, you can start learning to drive as young as 16. This skill is not just about mobility, but also about responsibility and safety awareness. The cons of adolescence. 1. Challenges of puberty. Undoubtedly, puberty is a challenging aspect of adolescence. The physical changes, including growth spurts and other bodily developments, can sometimes be overwhelming. It's crucial to have supportive friends and family who can provide guidance and reassurance during this time. 2. Academic and social pressures. High school years bring about their own set of pressures. Academic expectations can be high, and the drive to succeed in school can be stressful. Social interactions also become more complex, as peer relationships often play a significant role in an adolescent's life. 3. Future uncertainties. Deciding on a career path or future goals can be daunting during adolescence. Many young people explore different interests and may change their minds multiple times as they discover new passions and learn about various career options. To deepen your understanding, I'd like you to reflect on these questions and share your thoughts. 1. What do you find most challenging about being an adolescent? 2. What life skill are you eager to learn or have you started learning during your teenage years? 3. How do you cope with academic and social pressures? Thank you for joining today's discussion on the journey through adolescence. I hope this session helps you navigate these formative years with confidence and curiosity. Remember to subscribe for more engaging content, and feel free to share your experiences and answers in the comments below. See you in our next session.